Hello there, how you doing? So I've been sent this to review. Now it's called a Touchscreen Swim Buoy and it's by Hikeen. A little bit mucky because it's been in the bottom of my boat while I've been on a paddle. You can see that my phone's in there. If I activate this, actually I've already shown you that on a previous clip. Got touchscreen technology built into it. How cool is that? So I'm trying that out today on the water. Purpose of this was to chuck this in the water and make sure it's waterproof. Now I actually haven't got my phone in a waterproof case today. Sorry, I'm just about to crash. Getting swept under some bushes. Oh, it's already in the water. Dropped in, look, it's in. Right, so it's got an aqua seal zip on it, so it should be okay. But my purpose for today was just to chuck it in and to make sure it is waterproof. I have got this strapped to my leg at the moment. I can give it a bit more length, give it a bit more drift. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tow it for a bit. Probably get in the way of the paddle. Thought it was quite nice, this one, because it does have this nice grab handle on it. It's alright, isn't it? Now my phone, I think I mentioned this, my phone it does have a degree of waterproof protection anyway, so I'm not overly concerned if it does get a little bit wet in there, but I don't think it will. The zip looks very good. Only one way to find out, in there. I'll tell this for about 5 minutes and then we'll have a look. So when I received mine, it came in a bag with this set of instructions. Very simple and easy to follow. Brilliant. Right, so I've been towing this for about 5 minutes. And do you know what? I think you can tell, even just by looking at that, there's nothing actually inside. There's no water behind that film. Pretty cool. And my touchscreen thing's still working too. The thumbprint thing won't work on here, I doubt. Oh, it has, it's gone in. You might not be able to see that in this light and with the reflection and so on. So really easy to inflate. You just blow it up through that. Load of instructions on the back. Load capacity 12 kilos it says. It's a swimming buoy. It's not meant as a total lifesaver. But yeah, cracking bit of kit. Thank you so much for sending it to me to try out. I would have liked to have seen the one that's got a dry bag built into it. That would have been useful. But at least you know it's probably going to be alright. Okay, I'm going to crash. So I'm just going to move myself out of the way of these trees. As I say, thank you to Hikeen for sending that to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll put some links in the pinned comments and description so you can check this out. You take care of yourself. I was going to do the silly voice one. Cheerio. Look at that. Dry as a bone. Brilliant bit of kit. Nice. I did say in that video that I wanted to try the dry bag version. They haven't sent me this. I've bought it because I thought I just really want to try this one. It's got valves on both sides. Well, at least it's floating. So that's a good sign. So we'll drag it around for a bit and see how it goes.